Morning. Just making brackets for the shelves. Ingrid just points the camera there. They've been put up against the wooden workshop. So just to stabilize, I'm just making wooden brackets to support the weight. So I'm just cutting them here. I've split them on the circular saw. Now I'm going to cut 45 angles on them to fit underneath there and to brace it there. I'm just fitting these wooden brackets, which is going to level the shelf, and it costs cheaper than buying the brackets, and it's much easier just to make these, and they'll be stronger than the metal ones. Get that sure it's level, yeah. a little bit more difficult on this side because I'm too lazy to remove these boxes here that contain wall plugs and all the other stuff that I need. So I'm just working more off my right hand, which is the stronger hand, but we'll get there. And I'm just all my screws and everything are all handy here, ready, so I know what I need. So that's the positive side. Looks pretty level. Nothing is 100% in this farm. It's all rustic. Right.
Looking for something that's fallen.
When you're on the farm, off-grid, you need all the tools, as Ingrid's just spanning across the workshop, because without the tools, you have to bring in artisans from town, and that costs money. So you've got to be handy with your hands. You've got to know what to do, welding, electrics, plumbing, everything, because without that, the farm's not going to run properly, and you'll be constantly phoning artisans from town. So you've got to be handy with your hands.
And there's the end product. All done. Things on the rack. There we go.